Ever wondered what happens when sleek design meets military-grade protection? Well, today we're diving into two incredible iPhone 16 cases that claim to do just that. The Moonrise military-grade protective case and the Sunset Tactile woven case. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another phone case review? But trust me, these cases bring something unique to the table, and by the end of this video, you'll be deciding which one of these beauties should protect your iPhone 16. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing. Right off the bat, you'll notice something that stands out: eco-friendly packaging. We're talking about biodegradable materials, so these cases are already making a statement in more ways than one. No fancy plastic, just clean, green packaging, because we care about the planet too. Inside, you've got your standard paperwork. And here, real star of the show, Moonrise military-grade protective case for the iPhone 16 Pro. Simple but elegant packaging. Feels like something you'd expect from a premium brand. And for the Sunset Tactile woven case for iPhone 16 Pro Max, the experience is pretty much the same: minimalist, sleek, and ready to be put to the test. Now, let's talk protection. You don't just want a case that looks good, you need something that's going to keep your iPhone safe, right? And that's exactly where the Moonrise military-grade protective case shines. This case is built for impact. We're talking aerospace-grade aramid fiber combined with shockproof TPU, giving you a case that feels like it could survive a drop from the moon. And no, we're not exaggerating. It's passed the rigorous MILSTD 810G drop test, which means it's been officially tested to survive some pretty serious falls. But here's the kicker: this thing's slim. Seriously, despite the rugged protection, it doesn't feel bulky in your hand. You still get that smooth, comfortable grip, and the raised camera lip protects those precious lenses from scratches and bumps. And let's not forget the soft Nappa leather lining inside, because your iPhone deserves that extra cushy treatment. And if you're worried about those magnets, don't be. The Moonrise case has upgraded MagSafe compatibility, with magnets that are 0.1 to 0.2 kilograms stronger than the previous generation, so your accessories will stay put. But wait, there's another contender in the ring: the Sunset Tactile woven case. It's sleek, lightweight, and offers something I love: tactile texture. Made from high-tech aramid fiber, this case not only feels great in your hand, but also provides superb protection without adding any extra weight. This is the kind of case that fits seamlessly into your everyday carry. Light, ultra slim, we're talking 0.88 millimeters thick, and ridiculously comfortable to hold. The granular texture gives you a solid non-slip grip, making sure your iPhone stays securely in your hand. No more worrying about accidental slips. And just like the Moonrise case, the Sunset case also features upgraded magnets. With a 0.1 millimeter thicker magnet and an increase of 0.1 kilogram in magnetic force, you're getting that secure, reliable connection for all your MagSafe accessories. I've saved the best for last. Both of these cases come with a ton of high-tech features that will blow your mind. With NFC chips built into both cases, you can easily verify authenticity and access exclusive Pitaka services like custom wallpapers, games, and music. And did I mention the eco-friendly packaging? Both cases are wrapped up in 100% biodegradable bagasse, saving trees one phone case at a time. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for military-grade protection that can withstand drops and shocks while still maintaining a sleek profile, the Moonrise military-grade protective case is your go-to. But if you prefer something ultra-slim with an irresistible tactile feel, then the Sunset Tactile woven case is calling your name. No matter what you choose, you're getting top-tier protection and stunning design, without compromising on functionality. Alright, now that you've seen both of these in action, drop a comment below. Which case is catching your eye? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tech reviews like this one. Catch you in the next video.